壊したい。Yes guys, I'm Roman and today we will be doing an unboxing. Alright, so my friend Fiona sent this from Jamaica and I am super happy to receive it. Thank you so much, Fiona. You are a godsend. Woo! It looks amazing. It really does. And it smells magnificent. The rum tunnel. Okay. I gotta say this. It's amazing. It is amazing. Oh my god, it's been a long time since I have had Jamaican Christmas cake. Oh my god. Fiona, you outdid yourself. Oh my god. The rum, Jamaican rum, I think rare in the view. Very, very good. The rich black brown color, the moist taste. It's not dry, it's the right balance of moist without being mushy or too soft. You just feel love in your mouth. It's amazing. Wow. The aroma too, amazing. And I must say that, Fiona, this is one of, if not the best I've ever had. It's not even my lunchtime, so I shouldn't be eating this now. But I couldn't help myself. I can't help myself. It's just too good. You made my year, Mrs. Shan. Here I am in France, and you sent me a little tips of Jamaica, and I'm eternally grateful. Wow. Alright guys, that is it for my video for today. If you enjoyed this video, as usual, give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe. And finally, if you would like a piece of this Christmas miracle, heaven in a container, then I can easily hit you up with my friend if she is willing and available and all of that to give you guys some of this love. It is divine. Alright. I will see you guys next time. Ciao, ciao. Fiona, I think what American expression is that you put your foot in the night. Fiona, you put the 2 foot in the night. You put your hand, you put the elbow, you put your heel back. You put nothing in the night, man. Yeah, man. Fiona.